What's up guys, it's Laashak again. It's not a gaming video. So it's the setup of Huawei mediapad T5. So if you see my previous video, you will know that I unboxed this device recently, and we're gonna set it up in the camera so you can just see how to set it up. So first we have something here called vision settings. Okay, we don't need any of these, so let's leave it away. Select your language, basically means English or French, Canada, right? So I can understand both of them, but just for the sake of the video I'm gonna put English, and let's proceed. It says insert SIM card. We're gonna skip that part, you know, not required for the video. Let's agree with the terms and conditions. Let's agree anyways without reading, okay, let's agree again. Next. I just feel like agree, and next. So select a network. So for this part I'm just gonna select Laashak. So it's just basically my network for so I just entered my password and it says connecting to my network. So obviously it'll take some time. I'll just skip that part too. So it's connected. I've connected to Laashak 5G. I just have two of them. So just next. Checking for updates. This might take some time. So let's just let it run. So in meanwhile, you can also go check out my previous video for seeing the unboxing. So this is going to be my Gmail account and stuff. So let me just do that quickly. Oh, okay. So for the password part, I'm just gonna. So I just entered my Gmail account, as you can see. Let's agree. Let's move on. Just before continuing, I would like to check all. So we have send usage. Okay. I will just location. Okay, sure. Accept. Let's continue. Set screen lock. That you can do by yourself. You know what I mean. So basically, you can enter your password. I would do. Okay. Uh, I don't know about this. Cloud. Actually, I won't. I will set as a new device. Huawei ID. I actually don't have one. So I need to create one. Right. Uh, okay. So there's no other ways to log in. Google account. Allow. Google account. So now I'm able to log in with my Google account. Logging in, let me just do that. We are in. Create and associate with Huawei ID. So I would like to receive information. That I would not. Select region, where okay, country or region, I would say Canada. Yeah, and Canada. Here we go. Continue. Are you sure you would like to register? Oh yes, I am sure. Permission. Okay, good. Agree. Date of birth. Okay. Let me just quickly continue. Allow. I would say password. Oh, link email your password. Okay, okay, sure. I'm just gonna create a password. After that, ask me for a phone number. I'm just it says optional, so I'll just skip that for now. It's just loading. Just leave it go. Laashak. Okay, good. Let's link it. White device. Oh, I don't have any, so let's just skip. Yes. Set password. I just did before, but it asks me again. 06 2106. Okay. 062106. Try not to forget your pin. There's no confirm pin. Oh, 062106. I don't get why. Okay, it is working. It is working. So my camera went out of focus. Just continue with Google. I agree. Now let's say, hey Google, we need to set up. Continue. Get started. Okay, finally, after a long process, we are in the tablet media pad. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Guys, it's Laashak. So just before ending the video, I wanted to say like this video because it took a lot of editing work, and feel free to subscribe to get new content, and also comment on this video about the next like content recommendations. You can also say me things to review on my next video, and feel free to follow my Instagram to know about updates on my next video. I also update thumbnails on my